Hi everyone, this is Madison Taylor here, and in this video today we are going to be showing you how you can transform your old Louis Vuitton toiletry pouches or any other Louis Vuitton bag that you want to. So myself, I've had this original toiletry bag. This is in the 19 size for about 15 years now. Again, this is one of the original ones that they actually produced. From my understanding, they don't make this bag anymore. They actually just decided to call it like a toiletry bag on chain and charge a couple $1,000s more for it, which is ridiculous, but you can definitely find the original ones secondhand. But what I decided to do is I was like, okay, this bag is just sitting in the back of my closet. Typically I carry a lot of smaller bags and not a lot of larger ones, which means this unfortunately does not fit into my bags anymore. So I was like, okay, what do I do with it? Just sitting in the back, and I was looking up some ideas online, and there's a couple different pins on Pinterest or YouTube videos that actually transform these bags into their own bags. So I'm like, okay, I can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that I did to transform this bag into a completely separate version of itself, and a couple different tricks that you can do as well for only a couple dollars on just Amazon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start out with, what I actually decided to do is purchase on Amazon. This was like 20 bucks or something close to that on Amazon, but it is its own. If you look at Louis Vuitton pouches, they actually make these and sell these specifically for these bags. So it's just a nice kind of canvas faux leather insert that you can put in. What makes this actually create a bag is these two straps on the side. So this is what it came with, and it came with this strap as well, which is like this gold tortoiseshell one. I myself, I was like, okay, I like this, but this, I want to get some wearability out of it. So I decided to go ahead and purchase just a heavier gold strap to kind of transform it. But essentially what you do with this bag, here's the strap. It's really easy. Here's your toiletry pouch over here. You unzip it. All you do is make sure it's the correct size for your pouch. You put it in the bag, and you can kind of see how it just simply falls in there as an insert, and you can't really tell. And then you want to make sure these clips are on the outside of the bag. And the thing with this is, just remember, the zipper is going to close. So just make sure you don't zipper and clasp the actual part of the bag in there. The only bad thing about this, I'm sure you can kind of maybe do some tips and tricks, is this tail does tend to hang out depending on how you actually make the bag. So just be aware of that when you're putting the pouch on the zipper. So again, the actual pouch is in the bag just like this, and it has the two rings on the outside that we're going to use to hook our straps on. So again, this one came with the tortoiseshell one, which is a little bit easier to clip on. You just simply clip it on the rings, but I myself opted in for the gold additional chain that I bought. So again, what you're going to do is really, really simple. You're just going to take the clasp at the end of the bag and simply just add it on. So one, just like that. And then again, with this part, just make sure that this is not in the way of the actual tail of the bag itself. So you're going to want to look for the clasp over here and just simply hook it on. There we go. Perfect. All right, and that will kind of show you the transformation of the bag. Now you can either wear it just as a simple, crossbody or over the shoulder, I guess, if you would, like this, or just kind of mix and match it however you would. But this is definitely a good way that you can transform the bag. So I'll show you what it kind of looks like when it is zipped up. So you can zip it up just like this, and this is kind of what it looks like. So you have the front of the bag, the back of it, of course the side, but that is how the bag itself transforms into something new. Just want to show you guys another way that you can transform your Louis Vuitton bag. So again, here is the original one with the chain strap, but I have over here a very, very old coin purse that I actually, oh my God, it's probably, again, 15 years old, but this is in the patent leather with the birds. And since, again, I carry a lot of small bags, I don't really know what to do with it, so this is where it's going. But you either have a keychain, charm, whatever it is, this is what I do. So simply I attach an additional ring that they gave me with the bag. So this is not part of the original one, it's just in the bag itself. But I simply clasped that to the side of it, just like this, and it has this additional tassel portion of the bag. So I have a glass desk, so again, this chain's gonna rattle on here. I am sorry about that, but that is just what's going on with this. But you clasp it to the side, and it instantly transforms your bag. So you can kind of see over here the bird. That's what it looks like in the front. The bag. You could do this with anything. Not saying it has to be Louis Vuitton or branded. Completely doesn't have to be it. But I just had this and didn't really know what to do with it. But this is how, again, you can transform your bag into something extra special. So real quickly, I just want to show you how I would go ahead and style this bag. So this is obviously everything on it, including the chain and the coin purse. But I would just simply, again, throw it over my shoulder just like this. So you can actually see what it looks like on versus just getting assembled. Of course, it does sometimes have this little tail stick that kind of hangs out over here, but you can try to tuck it away or however you want to do it. But I would just, again, wear it just like this with the two chains on the front and then the coin purse. Sometimes this thing does kind of flap back and forth. It's okay. You know, it is what it is. But this is how I would style it. You can kind of go ahead and just see it again. A little bit up close, but this is the transformed Louis Vuitton bag. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Madison Taylor. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as there is more to come in the future. We do reviews on different handbags, different brands, different everything, clothing, accessories, and more. And if you have a Louis Vuitton pouch or any other bag that you transform, we'd love to hear from you down in the comments how you kind of made it your own. Thank you guys again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care now.